Good morning. So how many of you have heard of resiliency training?
Confucius once said that the warrior's greatest glory is not in never failing, but rising every time they fail. It's why the soldiers of the U.S. Army Reserve Command's 2016 Best Warrior Competition received an ancillary course in emotional resilience prior to graded events, to remind them that the greatest tool they possess is their mind.
Resiliency helps our readiness because it reminds soldiers that we care. And if you can learn to utilize resiliency, you can snap back right into the fight.
Army resiliency efforts were formally implemented by the former Chief of Staff, General George Casey, in 2008. He wanted to address the mental health issues that were crippling combat soldiers returning home from deployments.
Combat is, no matter how you try to package it, combat is always going to be one of the worst things that you can come up against, right? And it takes a strong mental attitude to survive against something like that.
Some military leaders believe the inception of General Casey's comprehensive soldier fitness program has led to the decrease of reported mental health cases, such as substance abuse, sexual assault, PTSD, and veteran suicides.
For an individual to be named Best Warrior, they need to have a resiliency that is up there with the best in terms of its strength and its ability to get them through the next task or the next challenge.
Reporting from Fort Bragg, North Carolina, I'm Army Sergeant Ivy Nicole Tanner.